In this video, I'm out in Dade City, Florida, and I'm gonna take on a tour of 3 brand new construction homes. All 3 have been recently reduced in price. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area and Sarasota area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. All right, so today we just missed the ice cream truck, but today I'm out in Hilltop Point in Dade City, and I'm going to show you 3 inland homes. And I've been meaning to get out here because I love inland, and so I'm finally out here today. So let's do this. Behind me, you do have a community pool that is not quite open yet. But yeah, low HOA fee, so let's dive on in. I apologize for the wind. This is a 404 floor plan. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage. This one is the coastal elevation, 2207 square feet. Currently listed at $433,400. The HOA here is $165 a year. There is a community pool, and then the CDD fee is $2,763 per year. All right, let's go inside, take a look at this one. Like the paver driveway. I love the coastal elevation. So if you've seen some of these videos before, they put the shells in, which I absolutely love that detail. But let's go inside. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments below. The front door, you have this nice wide hallway, tile floors, can lights throughout. And to the left, up front, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So bedroom number 1 right here, you have the gray carpet. I love how they have 4 can lights in the bedroom, plus the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. And then bathroom number 1, you have the gray cabinets, the white quartz countertops, undermount sink, and then your tile around the tub and shower combo with the window there. Bedroom number 2, same thing with the 4 can lights above and the pre-wire in the center for the ceiling fan. All right, so continuing on, right here to the right, it's going to go out to your 2-car garage, and as you'll see, still doing some final touches. Water here in the corner there. Come in out of the garage, and then right here to the right, you're gonna have your coat closet. And then you could put a counter or cabinet here, have a little drop zone, whatever you'd like. Continuing on, you have bathroom number 2. So the same gray cabinets, white quartz countertops, and the tile around your tub and shower combo. Bedroom number 3. And I like how they do the marble on the window seal. You know, pretty much no one, unless you're doing custom these days, frame out the windows, you know, with wood trim. But at least I like how they're doing the marble for the window seal. All right, so here is your laundry room. And then the master suite's gonna be in the back. Right here is gonna be your air handler. Exciting 4-ton train. And then to the right is going to be your master suite. So first come in, your bathroom here, you got your French doors. Then you have dual vanities, going to be split. So the first one's going to be right here. I like how they have like the chandelier instead of the wall sconces. Nice big soaker tub right there. And then your walk-in shower, the tile goes all the way to the ceiling in this one. And then vanity number 2. Toilet here. linen closet right there. And then your walk-in closet with the pocket door right here. And you know I love the pocket doors. All right, so let's go on out, take a look at the bedroom itself. So the 4 can lights, and then you have the pre-wire and the ceiling fan. And then there's also 2 pre-wires up here. So you could, I'm assuming that's not for speakers or anything like that, but probably if you wanted to put some reading lights in above the bed, you could do that. And then you have this little recessed area here. All right, continuing on into the living room / family room. Get your 3 windows there. Nice tall vaulted ceiling. Then into your open kitchen. Nice big island here with the quartz countertops. White cabinets, obviously your refrigerator would go there. You have your microwave right there. It is an electric community out here, so you have your electric range there and your range hood. Stainless steel dishwasher, and then your single bowl undermount sink. And then over here, you're gonna have a little butler's pantry area, or you can use this as a desk. And then you have your pantry here. And then this little area could be used for storage. I've seen them set it up as like a little pet area. This particular, can't even talk, sorry. This particular floor plan though, they sometimes have the door right here. So your pet, you know, you set this up as your pet area and then go right out the side yard. And then your dining room area is gonna be right here. And then you come out to your covered lanai. Got the 2 can lights and then the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. And then here's your backyard. Over here, I'll show you the back of this one. And at least I like how the air conditioner is by the dining room and not by the master bedroom. But that's gonna do it for this one. Let me know what you think about it in comments below. This is the 406 floor plan. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage, 2,701 square feet, and this is the farmhouse elevation. This one has been reduced $16,000 down to $473,400, and we are 2 lots down from the first home, so the view isn't much different as I pan around. But let's go inside and take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I do like the lights here in front of the garage instead of the coach lights on the front. That's a cool little touch with the farmhouse style. And then the columns here and the board and batten on the front. Nice front porch here. All right, let's go inside. Let me know what you think about this one. Come in the front door, you have your staircase to the left. And then to the right, it's gonna be your flex room, which we'll check out in a minute. But let's go upstairs. Nice stained handrail there. All right, when you get to the top of the stairs, turn left, and this could be an area for a pocket office. You do have the power, and it looks like a phone jack there, which I don't know the last time I used a phone jack, but there's one there for you. Nice size, a loft here. There's 6 can lights and a pre-wire for a ceiling fan. Air handler behind here. And then over here, let's go here first. This is gonna be your 2nd story laundry room. Your master suite's gonna be right here. So nice size bedroom. And then into the bathroom, get your tile floor, your dual vanity. Check out those lights. It's pretty cool. And then your big soaking tub here. Walk-in shower with the tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Toilet there. And then your walk-in closet. right, let's go across the hall here to bedroom number 2. Got your 4 can lights and the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. So I love how they're doing all this, these extra can lights in their inventory homes, because most builders don't. They might put 1. All right, bathroom number 2. Got the dual vanities, and then your tile around your tub and shower combo with the window there. And then bedroom number 3. And this one has a nice size walk-in closet here with a window. And then at the end of the hall right here, you're going to have a linen closet. All right, let's go downstairs. Finish taking a look at this home. I really love inland homes, how they, I don't know, they're just more stylish. And they give you, if you decide, you know, some of them you can, if you're early enough, you can build from scratch and go to the design center. They just have more updated finishes, better design eye in my opinion. I really like what they have to offer. Understairs storage here. And I guess if there was a knock against them, because there's not a perfect builder, I don't think, is because they are local to the Tampa area, they have to compete with the likes of the Lennars and the D.R. Hortons of the world to buy land. So a lot of their communities are a little bit further out from, like, say, Tampa. But, you know, a lot of people like that too. All right, so here's the kitchen. Then we'll go, yeah, you know what? Let's go this way, because I always like to end it outside. So let's go over here, finish looking over here, and we'll come back. So over here is going to be bedroom number 4. So you do have a first floor bedroom if, you know, you want to have guests kind of away from you, or you need someone on the first floor. And it's actually a nice size bedroom for the first floor. And then there's a bathroom right here. So if it is a guest suite or an in-law suite per se, they can be down here and have their own little, you know, area. All right, out into the living room here. Nice big open living room. Right into the kitchen. Those quartz countertops, the stainless steel appliances, the nice range hood there. And then back over here, you got that set up as a desk. Your pocket office, I think they call it. And then your pantry here. Single bowl undermount sink. And then a dining area right here. So you have a triple sliders. Actually, I lied, that's 2. That screen out here threw me off, but it's just bigger too. So you come out, you have your covered lanai here. And then with it being a 2-story, you have a bigger backyard than you would with the single-story homes, just because they don't take as much land. All right, there you go. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments below. So this is the 402 floor plan in the farmhouse elevation. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1936 square feet. Currently listed at $418,894. And we are 3 homes to the left of the first house. So the view's pretty much the same. Nice paver driveway. Check out those coach lights. Once again, I'll tell you, they are on point when it comes to styling versus some of these other builders. Board and bat in front. All right, let's go inside, take a look. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. In the front door on this one, you got the wood-like tile floor in the herringbone pattern. So as you can see, it continues on with the style, you know, versus these 17 by 17 square tiles in a boring pattern. So really like them. All right, so bedroom number 1. 4 can lights above and the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Bathroom number 1. You got your single vanity here. I believe that's a dark brown. Yeah, it looks dark brown. And then the white quartz countertop. Even the lights, a little bit more stylish than the boring lights of some other builders. Tile around the tub and shower combo. Bedroom number 2. All right, continuing on. This first door on the left right here is going to be your coat closet. Directly across from that to the right, this is going to go out to your 2-car garage. As you'll see here, they're still finishing this up. All the final touches. And then you can put a little drop zone here if you wanted to. We'll come back to the, well, I'll go ahead and show you the laundry room. It's gonna be right here, and it does have access to the master bedroom closet, which we'll go through in a minute. And then your air handler is gonna be here. And then coming on in, nice family room, living room here. And you do have the vaulted ceiling. And then around this corner here, you could have your pocket office set in right here. And then you have another closet back here. So, I mean, if you wanted to, you can make this a pantry and then like an entertaining area, another prep area, if you wanted to. And then the dark cabinets. Then here is your walk-in pantry. Nice range hood. Single bowl undermount sink. Microwave there. And then your master is back here off the kitchen. So you come in, bedroom is right here. And then into the bath. Have your dual vanity. Nice big window in the middle there. Toilet here. And then your walk-in shower. You do have the tile all the way to the ceiling, and then it's got the stone for the shower floor. And then into your walk-in closet. Nice size closet. And then once again, the access to the laundry room. All right, let's go out here. Take a look, a little dining area right here. And then out to your covered lanai. Out. You got your 2 can lights and your pre-wire for your ceiling fan. And then a bent tree, that's nice. I don't know if the wind blew it over, somebody hit it. It's just being whatever, but that will be replaced. But here is the back of this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.